Welcome to the Promise application tutorial. From the landing page on the College for West Virginia website to apply for the Promise Scholarship, you can click on this link, log into WVSAM. You can also click the Apply Now button, which will take you to a list of the requirements for Promise. And then you can select Complete the Promise application. This will take you to the login page for the West Virginia Student Aid Management account. You can also access this page here. Again, click here, click the login to WVSAM. So both will get you directed to the login screen. So I already have an account created. So we're going to log into that account so you can see what the SAM system looks like and know how to apply. From the landing page, you can see there's directions above each section. To apply, you're going to click New, by My Applications, and you're going to select your program. For us, it's going to be the West Virginia Promise Scholarship. And then you're going to answer the questions related to the application. First, you have to agree that you've updated your contact information. This just means we have the most updated information related to your demographic information. If that has changed, you want to come here and make sure you have updated it. But you do have to check this box. So you're going to enter your name, and it will only let you select yourself, your graduation date, answer questions whether you're a West Virginia resident. Have you completed at least 50% of your coursework at a West Virginia high school? Test type, test month, and test year is related to whether or not you've taken the ACT or the SAT and achieved an eligible score. If you have, you can input that score here. If you haven't, you would just leave it blank. You're applying for the 2023-24 application year. This is for students who are starting the fall of 2023 or spring of 2024. Answer the question relating to your citizenship status and your West Virginia residency date. Next, you're going to select an institution. It does have to be an eligible institution. If you're unsure, you can click this link to find a list of eligible institutions. And now you're going to select your application type. So for the Promise Scholarship, we have a few different kinds based up on where you're graduating high school and what type of school you're attending. And so how are you earning your diploma? If you're attending a West Virginia public high school, you'll select that. If you're attending a West Virginia private high school, you'll select that. If you have a different status, such as homeschool, if you're a military dependent, if you're an eligible commuter, or you're a current member of the armed services, you'll select the correct status. We're going to go with public high school applicant. Then we're going to say where we live, the county, and then the high school that we attend. Next, you want to enter your high school student ID. And to submit your application, you'll click Save. If your application is submitted successfully, two things will happen. One, you will receive a confirmation email. It'll be sent to your email address. And two, you'll come to this page where you can see your information related to the status of your specific application. It does take about 15 minutes for the system to sync. So if you see that you don't have any information on file, don't worry. Give it a little bit and that information will update, and you can refresh to see that information updated on your status. As you click through academic requirements, additional requirements, all these requirements must be fulfilled for you to qualify for the Promise Scholarship. If you need to edit your information, you can click the edit button or click one of the pencils to the right side of the field, and then you can update that information.